Alright guys, we're here in West Bend, Wisconsin, and as you know, we're here for the geocaching, GeoBash here. We're here also for the 10th day of geocaching. We've got a streak going. If you don't know, Groundspeak is doing a challenge, challenging people to find 31 geocaches in the month of August. And here it is. We found our 10th geocache in a row. Oh, look at it.
The original can of beans.
The original can of beans. Oh, it's a original can of beans playing card. That's cool. And there it is in the tree right there. Another cool thing about this cache is that this community strategized and put a fundraiser, a brat fundraiser right next to the geocache. Brilliant idea. I think I'm getting a little hungry, so it's not every day that you find a cache and a brat. Let's go eat.